Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can use Xiaomi remote. For that you have to watch the full video, so let's get started. First you have to go to the Mi remote and then here you have to add remote. So by using remote you can turn on your fan. You have to just click here and just say yes, and then your fan will be turned on automatically. Okay, and then you can turn on the AC as well, like this AC brands only you can on, like LG, Panasonic, TCL, then higher, Gree, everything you can turn on by this Mi remote. Then you can also turn on your DVD player. Then you can turn on your camera, Nikon, Kodak, Fujifilm, higher, Canon, everything. Then also you can turn on satellite TVs as well, but it's for only for China. But TV, you can turn on your TV by this remote. Mi TV as well. It's normal TV and this one is Mi TV, like Xiaomi TV. Normal TV also you can use with your phone. So, and smart box as well, fan, DVD, smart box, TV, everything you can use with this remote, like every materialistic thing. And also projector, this one also you can use by this remote. So it's really useful app guys. So like this you can use this app for your like if the remote has got broken or something, you can use your phone as your remote, like your Mi remote. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching this video and do like, share and subscribe to this channel guys. And please be with us guys. We are making so informative and good videos for you. I hope our video will help you guys to get to know a lot of new things. Yeah, thanks for watching this video and please subscribe to our channel.